Welcome to our guide on the 5 best cool and useful photography gadgets you can buy this year. Taking great photos requires the right tools, and these gadgets will help you capture stunning shots with ease. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, these gadgets will make your photography journey easier and more fun. We've done the research and have compiled the top 4 gadgets that we think will give you the best results. So let's get started. Number 4. HEIPI 3-in-1 Travel Tripod. The HEIPI 3-in-1 Travel Tripod is a revolutionary design that provides an unprecedented level of portability and stability. Its patented 3-pillar center column provides excellent stability and compactness, so you can transport it with ease. With its carbon fiber construction, it's lightweight and durable, perfect for travel photographers. It also comes with a detachable ball head, making it the world's first 3-in-1 tripod. HEIPI's vibration resistance test proves its exceptional stability, and its round-tube legs with patented locking levers provide extra rigidity and maximum weight-bearing capacity. Whether you're shooting landscape photography or using it as 2 separate tripods, HEIPI is the perfect accessory for any outdoor photographer. Number 3. SPINN HEIPI. The SPINN HEIPI is a revolutionary universal camera carrying system for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It comes with 2 different base plates, an adjustable comfort strap, and is also made from recycled raw materials. The system allows for a bomb-proof connection for your camera in any position, unrestricted access, and perfect visibility of controls and faster shooting. It is suitable for any DSLR or mirrorless camera, and the CP02 model allows for instant access to the battery compartment. The CPB plate is made for cameras with battery grip or big flagship models. The adjustable camera strap offers perfect adjustability, high strength, and is lightweight with minimal bulk and weight. If you're looking for a modern and intuitive way to carry your camera, the SPINN HEIPI is an excellent choice. Number 2. Camera Sling. The Camera Sling by Clever Supply Co. is the perfect camera bag for the modern photographer. It combines modern design with quality, heritage materials that will last for generations. It's ruggedly built yet comfortable and high-functioning, allowing you to take your camera with you everywhere. It looks great and will inspire you to take more photos. Highly recommended for any photographer looking for a quality camera bag. Number 1. Mood LED. The Mood 4 wireless sound reactive rainproof animated RGB LED is an impressive addition to any party. With over 250+ ultra-sensitive sound reactive effects, you can keep the party going for 10+ hours with brilliant immersive lighting. The universal 1:4:20 mount allows for unlimited reading options like magnets, tripods, and clamps, and the built-in battery level indicator offers fast charge via USB-C for 10+ hours of use. Best of all, you don't need to worry about rain or a spilled drink, and the 12-20 kit can be easily thrown over your shoulder for run-and-gun use. If you're looking for a reliable and dynamic party light, then the Mood 4 wireless sound reactive rainproof animated RGB LED is a great choice.